la verdad que la pileta me chupa un huevo. Jamás me metí, hace 20 años que estoy ahí. ¡Ey! Hijo de puta.
Told him I wasn't dealing with this crap anymore. My coworkers texted me later on telling me that they had to shut down the entire school for the whole day and cancel classes to clean up. They told me not to worry about it because everyone else got the rest of the day off paid, and it wasn't my fault that I was forced to show up to work.
They knew each other from the days of the war, as they had both been part of the small and elite German automotive world. Both had seen the Nazi machine up close, and both were keenly aware of the new conditions they now found themselves in, and they wanted to make the best of them. In that sense, they both understood that the Volkswagen company and the Porsche company needed each other in order to...
Oh, shit! Oh, shit, cuz! Oh, shit! Oh, shit, bro. What the fuck? Yo!
Amına koyayım, çarptı orospu çocuğu. Orospu çocuğu çarptı. Amına koyayım senin. Amına koyayım senin.
Chose the wrong target and humans were killed. And, thirdly, they've got to worry about their own employees. People who work there are not comfortable with working with the military. People who work there are worried about the use of the argument that Anthropic is really asking for something that isn't necessary. So things escalate, and they result between the Secretary of Defense, Pete Hegseth, and the Chief Executive of Anthropic, Dario Amodei.
Whoa!
And it's civil for the
Call
most
911.
Okay. I'm calling 911. Oh my god.
Oh my god, no way!
And then you can say, why, Captain, these folks making a mozza.
Come on, man. What the fuck's your problem, bro? That's fucking crazy.
Like my dad chooses his new family over respect. You know what I'm talking about?
It makes me super mad. Hunter's an amazing kid. Hunter deserves a dad that's going to be there and support him, going to love him, especially as he's becoming a dad himself. But unfortunately, that's not how.
were round clay pots, she realised, and each one held a mixture of oil and pitch and a light. Turned to Merlin, standing by her with one of the ineffectual pikes. Ineffectual against the replacement bridge, perhaps, but not against the man who might try to cross it. Get the door open,
Come on, y'all.
she ordered.
Don't be stupid.
We have to let the smoke out. Dimly,
Dude,
her strange
chill
ancient
out.
boots, she saw the central gate in the barrel.
That's
begin
crazy.
to open outward. The gap between the edges growing larger. She loaded another shot and began whirling the sling. Through a veil of tears, she saw.
और उसमें मतलब मैनेजमेंट का तो रोल है ही है, प्लस माँ बाप का भी रोल।
Dio, eccola, Dio signore, cazzo. Metti la prima cosa che avevo detto. Vai. Andiamo avanti, dai, via. Andiamo a destra.